So hi guys, uh, now that is season for giving, because of the uh, COVID-19 pandemic. So I'm going to share some of our blessing here to Lando and to his father-in-law. So this might be 3 kilos of a very this is our rice, guys, a very nice rice. This is product of Bohol Panda rice. It's a very good rice. And one big can of sardines and 5 pack of noodles. So the rest will be followed later. It's because it's getting dark here. And then so I'll be back later, guys. Going to put it here to the big bag. I'm not sure if this one will fit here. So Lando is outside. Bukata. Lan, kuasa ko ni palihog, Lan. Bukat man ay. Okay, shit. Sorry. Hatag, imuhanag ka ng Ate Gloria, ha?
Diba?
Oh, tagduha mo kaputo sana. So this is continuous, guys. Continuing. We pack here food for our neighbor here. So all our neighbor here will receive 2 kilos of rice, then 3 cup of noodles. At least we help them. So this is it in one house. Set it there, the one that's so yeah, a little bit help to them. This is not a fancy one, but at least we share some food here. This is a good cup noodle.
Where's the tape?
You be careful because that's so skinny plastic bag. Okay, let's deliver this one.
And if you want to go along and hand them out, then you go along.
You don't wanna come?
No. Like I said, if we had the truck, that'd be something different. They're not driving, we do it all. But we ain't got the truck, so.
So this one is every bag.
2 more.
2 more?
There's 20 in there. So we got 10 and 20. And then who's ever left, we'll finish today doing.
Okay.
You got enough bags?
Yeah, I have. This is my list here, guys. So guys, these are the one that I'm going to distribute today. 4 bucks. Here. Nakita. Kani. Okay. So this one, guys. So there are 10 packs here. Then each bag here, well, I'm going to add 2 cup noodles. So me and Lando, everything's here have 3 cups of noodles. Then additional for 2, there are 5 cups of noodles going to receive each household. So only here below we're going to give them, but if there's some house here that won't receive, we'll just do it later. So for now, this is the one that I prepared. So me and Lando only will be distribute this one because supposed to be Philip and me will go, but the car won't start. So I need to. It's Saturday here. I need to call Lando now to get the boxes here so we can start early today. And I hope they will be happy, guys. At least we help them. So bye everyone. Thanks for watching.
Close that up.
Okay. Be careful.
And you mark down who you give it to.
I have a list here. So we will go now, me and Lando.
Yeah.